Hello everyone. On behalf of Indian Institute of Food Processing Technology under the Ministry of Food Processing Industries, I welcome you all for the video demonstration session on Mandarin Orange Marmalade under capacity building component of PMFME scheme. Mandarin orange is an evergreen tree with many spiny branches, tolerant to drought and cold. Although mandarin prefer tropical climate, they can also grow in tropical areas. It is the most popular citrus fruit and is also referred as tangerine in some countries. The popularity of mandarin juice is certainly due to its pleasant and refreshing flavor and nutritional benefits. Mandarins are rich in ascorbic acid, calcium, vitamin C, folic acid, and dietary fibers. They are a good source of vitamin C. One orange actually has all the vitamin C that one needs for the day. Mandarins are generally peeled and eaten fresh or used in salad, desserts, and main dishes. For mandarins, the TSS and acid ratio of 14 is considered necessary for good eating quality. There is always a variation in this ratio depending on growing region and acceptability of the consumers, as certain markets prefer slightly sour fruit. In India, sweet fruits are preferred and hence the TSS and acid ratio of 14 to 18 is quite acceptable. Processing. Mandarin orange normally has a poor shelf life due to high water content and starts deteriorating just after plucking. Over and above this, over-ripening is also a big problem. In order to overcome these problems, the processing of fruit should be encouraged. Different fruit products like jam, jelly, fruit bars, and marmalade are prepared from mandarin orange. In this video, we'll explain how to make marmalades from mandarin orange. Marmalade. It is prepared from citrus fruit juice with or without peeling and boiled along with sugar and water. It looks like a jelly. Peel supplies extra nutrition to the marmalade as it is a rich source of pectin. Marmalade is prepared by following procedure. Harvesting. Generally, the mandarins are harvested in 32 to 36 weeks after the fruit is set. Mandarins are mostly hand-plucked. Right harvesting time for tangerine is when the fruit is of a good shade of orange and begins to soften a bit. Curing and washing. During the curing, field heat of the fruit is brought down. This helps in stabilizing the metabolic process. The fruits are spread on the floor in orchard yard, having the cushion of paddy straw for nearly 24 hours and then washed to remove the dirt. Peeling outer yellow portion. Peel entire skin of orange of yellow color. It is known as flavonoid. Peel it thinly. Cutting. Clean and peeled orange are cut into smaller chunks, followed by blending in separate blenders. Then boil it with 2 to 3 times water of extracted juice. Preparation of fruit peel. Cut yellow portion into fine shred. Inner whitish portion of orange peel are removed by using sharp knives. After washing, peel is cut into fine shreds. Usually 1.9 to 2.5 cm by 0.08 to 0.12 cm size is preferred. Then it is soaked in 65% sugar solution for 24 hours. Mixing. Standard proportion should be up to 50% mandarin juice, 50% sugar, 10% orange peel, 1% pectin, and 1% of citric acid. Boiling. Boiling of mixture is done in 103 to 105 degrees centigrade with continuously till gelling point. Finally, citric acid is added to the mixture before reaching 67-degree bricks of the finished product. Packaging and storage. Immediately after reaching desired bricks, Marmalade need to poured into sterile glass bottles and followed by room temperature cooling. Then, paraffining is done to stop microbial contamination of prepared marmalade from free air. Then, the bottles are capped properly and stored in room temperature. Project cost. You can start this project with a minimum investment of 25 lakhs, including land, building, plant and machineries, and other operational expenses. Till now, we have seen the demonstration of Mandarin orange marmalade processing in PMFME scheme under Atmanirbhar Bharat Abhiyan. The Ministry of Food Processing Industries, in partnership with the state and union territories governments, has launched an All India centrally sponsored Prime Minister Formalization of Micro Food Processing Enterprises scheme for providing financial, technical, and business support for upgradation of existing micro food processing enterprises. For more details, please visit our web links given here.